Payoneer accounts can be blocked or restricted for several reasons. This may happen if your personal information does not match your documents, your identity verification is incomplete, or Payoneer detects unusual or suspicious activity on your account, receiving payments from unsupported sources, creating multiple accounts, violating Payoneer's policies, or having unusual login activity can also lead to restrictions. If your Payoneer account has been blocked, and you want to solve this problem, first take a screenshot of the issue. After that, go back to your phone home screen. Then open the Chrome browser. After opening it, go to the search bar and type Payoneer. And go to Payoneer login option. After that, this page will open, and then click on Contact Us. Then tap here. Then type this text into the search bar, or tap this option, and it will automatically appear in the search bar. Then scroll up. Here it asks, "Did I answer your question?" Select yes, then tap the source option. After that, scroll up on the page again. Here, you'll see a few options. If your account has been blocked, you can choose the option that matches your situation. Since my account has been blocked, I'll select the first option, which says "Why was my account blocked?" closed. After that, scroll up again, and click on Contact Us. Scroll up. Now you will need to fill out this form. In the first box, which is the language option, select English. Then in the second box, enter your official name, exactly as it appears on your CNIC card. In the third box, enter your caste. Then enter the email address on which your Payoneer account has been blocked. Then go to the Topics section and choose the option My Payoneer Account. Then go back to the Topics section and select Close or Reopen Account. After that, return to the Topics section again and choose I want to reopen my account. Then in the comment box, paste this text. You can copy it. Then go to Choose File and attach the screenshot of your problem that you took at the beginning. Scroll up and tick this checkbox. Then, you need to solve this puzzle. For example, look at the rear part of the car shown at the top and find which of the 9 images below contain the same part. I'll select the 3 matching images, then tap Verify. Then click on Submit. After submitting the form, you will see a confirmation message like this. This means that Payoneer has received your request and will check your account issue. The reference number is important. It's like a tracking ID for your inquiry. You should save it because you can use it to follow up with Payoneer if needed. After submitting the form, Payoneer usually takes 24 to 72 hours to review your request. In some cases, it may take up to 5 business days depending on the issue. Once they have checked your account, they will send an email with instructions on how to reopen your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content. Thank you for watching.